In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Evernote. If you've ever wanted to quickly sketch an idea, make a simple diagram, or jot down something that's easier to draw than to type, Evernote's drawing feature, called Sketch, is a really handy tool. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly where to click and how to get started, even if you've never used this feature before. First, open Evernote in your browser or desktop app, and go to the note where you want to add your drawing. This can be an existing note or a new one you just created. Once your note is open, look for the 3 vertical dots located near the top of the note. These dots are usually found beside the Notes Options or More Actions menu. They might look small and easy to miss, but they're important because they hold a lot of extra tools. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. A drop-down panel will appear with several options that let you customize or add content to your note. In this list, look for the option labeled Sketch. This is Evernote's built-in drawing mode. Go ahead and click on Sketch. If you don't see it right away, make sure your app is updated and that you're clicking the options for the note itself, not for an individual attachment. After you click Sketch, Evernote will open a new drawing canvas. This is where you can start creating your illustration. You'll see a simple toolbar with different tools, such as a pen or marker, an eraser, and sometimes options to change colors or line thickness depending on your version of Evernote. Now you can start drawing. Use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a touchscreen device or tablet. Take a moment to experiment with the tools. Try switching colors, adjusting line thickness, and using the eraser to clean up any mistakes. If you're sketching something like a quick flowchart, try using different colors to separate ideas. If you're just jotting down a rough visual note, don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is to capture your thoughts visually.